keep on continuing with kinetic and potential energy. So today's worksheet has additional work on kinetic and potential energy. You'll need to pull out your notes that we've taken to answer this first section, 1 through 7. General information about kinetic energy. Stored energy or energy due to position is called, which one? Positional energy is kinetic or potential? Potential, okay. Formula for calculating potential, we know what that is. 3 factors that determine the amount of potential energy in an object. What 3 things go into the formula? What's M? What's G? What's G? And what's H? That's what these questions are asking us, okay? So don't get too hung up on them. We'll just answer these questions. We can answer the majority of these questions just by what's on the board right now, or the notes that we looked at yesterday, or the review, or the notes that we took originally when we started talking about kinetic and potential energy. All right, 8 through 10. This is potential energy calculations. So it tells us calculate the potential energy. So what formula are we going to use? PE formula. What's the distance? What distance rather is a book from the floor if it contains 196 joules of potential energy and a mass of 5? So it's distance from the floor. That means it has some sort of height. What formula do we use if we need height? KE doesn't have H in it. We have to use PE formula because it has H. And then an automobile sitting on a hill which is 20 meters higher than the ground level. This tells us it's higher, it has height from the ground, that means it's potential energy again. So for these 3, 8, 9, and 10, we use the PE formula. Second section of questions 11 through 16 are questions that have to do with kinetic energy and the kinetic energy formula, just like the first that we had about PE. And then on the back, we have 4 KE calculations that we need to do. Okay? Does anybody have any questions about this worksheet? All right, I'll get that handed out to you, and if you have any questions, just let me know.